today is Friday, December the 21st, 2018, and I'm making this mini-sode in response to those few people that have said that they want to see more of Nestor. Well, just being Nestor. And one of the cute and kind of funny things that he does is when he thinks he wants to go out, you open the door and he looks out and sees that it's a day like this. It has not stopped raining since yesterday afternoon when I finished up that vlog number 200. We've got it nice and soppy wet, and we've got that December cold breeze shooting through here. So let's open up the camper door and see what he does. Come on, Nestor. Don't you want to come out and play around? Don't you want to get out in this cold wind and wet ground? Yeah. Yeah, you got it. Oh no, let's go up underneath there. At least there it's dry, right? It's on the ground in front of you. Oh, I'm gonna get up on the table now. What's this? You want to climb up on me and get your feet dried off on my shirt? Yeah, I know. Yeah, right back up in there, right? No, we're not doing the cold rain thing today, are we there, fella? No, I didn't think so.